Paradisync presents a cinematic journey through the four seasons. Every season carries its own story, waiting to be felt. 4 seasons, 4 moods of nature's endless journey. Spring arrives quietly, as if the world is learning how to breathe again. Every bloom feels like a gentle promise of life returning. Summer arrives, bright and endless. The world glows under golden light, full of warmth and movement. Every moment feels alive, as if time itself is slowing down to feel the sun. Autumn arrives, quietly. The world begins to slow down, as colors gently turn to gold. Every falling leaf feels like a memory, letting go into the wind. Beauty remains, even in goodbye.
Winter arrives, in silence. The world grows still, covered in a blanket of white. Sounds fade, as everything slows into calm. But even in the cold, there is peace. A quiet beauty, in stillness. And so the seasons continue, in an endless cycle of change and beauty. The journey never truly ends. A glimpse of cinematic animation by Paradisync Studio. Stay connected for more wedding, festive, and birthday invitations and cinematic stories. If you have an idea, share it in the comments. Save our Earth.